All right, I've been busy recently. That's the 61 Morgan. I got that one going and it runs beautiful. And I got this GT350 Shelby Hertz running too. It hasn't been running for a very long time. Let me show you. Since '99. She's in nice shape. 289, 310 horsepower, I think. I was just about to take it for a test drive on a runway, and I noticed that the master cylinder was seized up. It's an old one-lung cast iron thing. All the brake fluid leaked out, I think, from this wheel. It's got drum brakes, and with a cast iron piston and a cast iron cylinder, when you have nothing in there, oxygen gets in and seizes it up, so pedals locked. And haven't got to these cars yet, but got to the Corvette. Come on, let's see if she starts. I've already been working on it. It didn't have spark, so I got some really good gritty sandpaper. Don't start it yet. And I've sanded the points, and it's dual points. One point wasn't adjusted opening at all, not at all. One was opening the right amount. This car has not been started in over 40 years. It's a 1960 Corvette. It used to have a 283, now it's got a 350. Since the fuel in the tank is more than 40 years old, I've pinched it off. I've taken out the needle and seats and filled the bowls up with gas. It has a weird kind of choke. I've checked, now it has spark. So Chris, work the gas pedal and start it up. Oh, maybe I have to prime it. Hang on. Some prime for a good time. All right, go again. Try again. Oh, really? Try again. Okay, hang on, the battery terminal's smoking. Oh, it's a bit hot. Oh. See if that did anything. Hold the throttle down just a little. Okay, that's fine. High. Sweet. Oh, look at the shit that came out. All the dust all over the bumper. Well, the bowls just ran dry. And this is what blew out of the Mustang. It was too crammed in here to make a video. Well, success.
That's number 2.
No, we got 3 running. Remember I got the Morgan running a few weeks ago?